Hey guys. It's okay, it's a movie. This is the poo tree.
It's on front. Crazy. Boom.
Let's go inside. Kinda cool.
Pretty cool.
And there's... Hey,
Daddy, fill these tunnels.
there's some tunnels there. Is it pretty cool in here?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Where's your sister at?
I'm gonna go check if she's by the lake.
She sounds pretty far away.
She's up there.
Hey Gracie. What are you doing? Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Be careful.
Grace! Grace, no!
Hey guys. We having a snack in the poo tree? Is it a good place to eat?
Uh-huh.
Is there honey in there?
No.
Are there heffalumps in there?
No. Is this spoon in here?
Uh-huh. You alright with that apple, Grace? Good job. Ooh. It's very cozy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's very cozy. It's very cozy in here.
There's Katie leading the way. Where are we going next, Katie? To the swamp? This is the poo tree trail. We're just in the poo tree, having our snack. I hear ducks, or geese. Hear them?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful spot.
Dad, I see the pool.
Yeah. Don't get wet, guys. Gracie, put your apple down. Gets deep over there. Where are you going?
I can see that again.
No, Grace. Now come back. All right. Now come this way. Grace? All right, we're gonna have to go. Oh, very nice. That for Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
That's going.
All right, ladies. Gracie, this way. Gracie. This way. Follow Katie. Follow Katie. Or don't.
Daddy, see back.
I will.
Hey, got across the bridge.